Okay, room tour, Cosmopolitan Las Vegas, room 3795. Press hello. Okay. Seating area, artwork. Wet bar, fridges. Over here, got a closet, robes, safe. Okay. It's a magic door. Hers and hers. Toilet. Oh, look at that. I didn't notice that. A face on the wall. And then we've got, this is just amazing. Okay, this is like a full-on walk-in shower. And then this is what they call the Japanese soaking tub with the view, which I'll show you in a minute. Then we go through here, and then through these doors. Bedroom, massive bed, another telly, and then, wrong way. Pull these up, this to the soaking tub. From the bedroom. Pretty amazing. Now, this will blow your mind if I can get out. Balcony. Oh my God. And this is our view. So we've got the Paris, we've got the Sphere. I don't know if you can see the Sphere. You've got the High Roller. You've got every hotel you can imagine. And you've got the Bellagio, Caesar's Palace, and then the fountains, which I will be filming later. We'll be up here watching the sun go down. It's absolutely unreal. So this is a fountain view terrace suite, the Cosmopolitan.